Hi kindergarten, it's Mrs. Nelson again to talk about shapes. We've been learning about two different types of shapes, flat shapes and solid 3D shapes. And this week we're really working on those solid 3D shapes. And we've learned about a couple. We learned about a sphere, which is a ball, and a sphere does not have any sides. It's completely round, right? We learned about that sphere, so everyone make that action. Sphere. And we also learned about a cylinder. A cylinder is round on the edges and then has two flat circle sides. Let's say cylinder, cylinder, cylinder. Excellent. Well, today we're going to learn about a new shape, and I bet it will look familiar to you. It's called a cube. A cube looks a lot like a dice, doesn't it? Yeah, let's go ahead and just take a look at it. Let's go ahead and count the sides. And what shape are the sides? A square, right? Yeah, it's a flat square. Let's count those flat squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 flat squares on this cube. If you turn it around and turn it to side, it has 8 flat square sides. So everyone say cube. Let's say it again. Cube. Cube. Awesome. Now I'm going to show you the action I like to do for cube. So I like to pretend my head is inside a cube, and I go like this. Cube, 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 cube. So I'm making those flat square sides. Cube, 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 cube. Can you pretend that you're inside of a cube? Awesome. So I want you to go and tell everyone in your family or everyone in your house right now that this is a cube shape. So go around and say, I know what a cube is. Cube. Cube, cube, just so you build that vocabulary and you start using that word. So you put it in your brain and remember it forever. All right, guys, so on top of doing your Imagine Math and your math page, one or the other, I would also like you to do a math challenge today. And your challenge is to go find 3D shapes. And the 3D shape we're gonna find is a cube. So say solid, 3D. It's not flat. I can't put it in between my hands. It's solid. I can hold it. It has sides. It has edges. It's a solid shape. So we're going to go find cubes. And I found this to be a little challenging in my house. I could not find very many cubes. So you kind of got to get creative. So I found a little container that looks similar to a cube. It has flat square sides. So I'm going to call that a cube. And then this is more of a rectangular prism because they're rectangles, but it has similar shape as a cube. So it's a baggie holder. Your house could maybe be the shape of a cube. You could take a picture of that. I'm looking right now at my fire pit. Looks a little bit like the shape of a cube or a rectangular prism. There's so many other things like a dice. I didn't have any dice in my house for some reason. A dice is a cube. A sugar cube is a cube. Some ice cubes are shaped like cubes, but you got to get creative and look around your house. I think you might have some toys that are cubes that I did not have, but please take a picture of them and show me. I'm excited to see those 3D solid cube shapes. Good luck, guys.